Hello everyone, my name is Nitin, as you all know, and if you didn't know, then now you know. So today in this video we are going to do basic recording. Well, UiPath has multiple recordings, for example basic recording, desktop recording, web recording, etc. But in this video we are going to do particularly basic recording. So let's create one notepad. So I'll place it here. I'll open it up and now I will start my automation. Now this is the recording section and you can click on basic because this video we are doing basic recording. Now you can see one pop-up has come, and in this pop-up we have save and exit. Okay, this we will do after we are done with the recording, and next to it we have the record button, and this video we will do the record button. So when I click on record button, you can see that the section has been highlighted with orange border, and if I click here, one pop-up comes and it says that type the desired value. So whatever we will type, it will be typed there, okay, in the notepad. So now let's say I write, hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's say I write this content, and I am not writing it, you please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and here we have empty field, which is to clear the text and write it what we want to write. Okay, if we click on this, it will clear the text and it will write, hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel. This is type password if you want to type password, and this is the keyboard shortcuts. So it says please enter when you are done. I have written it. I will press enter. Now you see it has written, hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel. Now I'll go to format. The system is a bit slow, so please bear with the system. Okay, so now one pop-up came. It says, do you want to use an anchor? No, we don't want. So I'll click no. So next, let's click to font. Just for a trial, we are doing all this. Now let's say we want to select any font. Any font we can select, not particularly some particular font. Let's say this one. And let's select font style, and then size, let's say 36. Okay, and click OK. Now you can see that the font style and the text size has been changed, and now I'll press escape and it will exit. So now I'll click on save and exit because I am done with my basic recording, right? Now you see this has come here, the recording has come here, and now I will connect it as the start node. I'll right click it and set as start node. Okay, and now I will run it. As you can see, now the notepad is here opened. You have to keep the notepad open. Now I will run it. See, it is written. Now this is done. Done. Okay, perfect. So the basic recording has run perfectly fine, the way we planned it. Okay, now I will show you inside it. See, every box has been created for everything we did. Type into, then click activity, click activity, click activity, click activity, right? Now as you go down, you will see the activities which we have clicked on, right? Now type into activity has the content which was written there. Okay, and if I change the content here, let's say I write please, let's say please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this will change in the notepad also. I'll show you by running the robot. Now you see it says, hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel. Now it has changed to please subscribe to my channel, right? Rest of the activities it did the same, but this time he changed it to this. Now right? I'll minimize it and I will go to show you something else. So this is the empty field which I clicked. If I remove it, it will not clear the content. It will add it, right? See, please subscribe to my channel. Rest of the activities will remain the same, but it did not clear it. It just appended the text, right? Now here is the target section and the selector is there. If you go into the selector, you will see the title as new text document notepad. Now what if you change it? Because our notepad name is new text document. So if I change it to, let's say, ABCD and click OK, so what do you think? Will the robot run? No. Why? Because we have changed the name of the notepad where the robot, the automation has to be performed. Let's see whether it runs or not. System is a bit slow, so please bear. Actually, it's trying to run, but it's not able to run because the UiPath is not able to find the document. So type into activity error is there. Okay. Now if I go back to selector and change the notepad to back to what it was, it will definitely run, right? I hope you got the meaning of it, right? So I hope you like this automation, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.